Hey, how's it going? It's VK with Hyperpeak Remodeling. I just want to talk about our home restoration services that we offer and the pricing and the process for that. When it comes to restoration, it's a little bit tricky to kind of break it down. You could have something so simple as you have a leak in your house, which that's $100 to $1,000. You could have something more serious where it's a pipe broke and your whole house is flooded. That could be $20,000 to $40,000. But you could have full entire things, which are $100,000 to $150,000, fires and stuff like that. One of the key things that you need to keep track of and what we offer is connecting you with public adjusters and people to help you get the money that you deserve, so that way you don't have to pay for that. That is what we do. We just got to find out where the damage is, what the insurance is willing to work with, and then from there we can start our processes of gathering information, giving you an estimate, planning it out, executing, and then following up and completing the job to completion. So that is our home restoration process and pricing.